girls. Question F. Okay, again, we have to think, how is this question similar and different to the ones before? So I see, again, I have something, a number, multiplying brackets, but then it's adding another number that is multiplying brackets, and then it's equal to a fraction. So what can I do here? So there are many ways in which we can solve this question. Okay, one of the ways, and maybe the first one that we might think is, well, okay, we can expand. Agree? I can expand here this bracket and then expand this bracket. That's one way that we can do it. Another way of what we can do is, and because we just have more knowledge, remember that I have a equation. If I have an equation, I can do whatever operation I want as long as I do it on both sides. Because when I do it on both sides, then I'm keeping my equation balance. So this is my suggestion. I'm going to times everything. Look, that's why I'm putting the big brackets here around. Everything by what? By 2. Why by 2? Because if I times everything by 2, I'm going to get rid of this denominator. And on the other side, what I'm going to be doing when I times everything by 2, exactly the same. I'm going to get rid of this denominator. So that's going to be my first step. So when I do that, what happens? Okay, this 2 is going to affect. Now I want you to see this is going to affect both factors. What are my both factors? One of the factors is this one, agree? And what is the other factor? This one. Why? Because if this 2 affects this one, affects this -2, that's already affecting both things that are inside. Make sense? I'm going to write this better so that you don't get confused. This one times this one, and this one times this 6. Make sense? Because when it times this number, it's already going to affect everything that is inside these brackets. So what do I have here? When I times this 2 by the 1/2, it's going to go away. So I'm just get left with 2x plus 5. Plus what? Plus 12. X take away 2 equals, and this 2 and this 2 is going to get cancelled. So this one is going to be leave just as 9. And now I'm going to expand this 12. Why do I have to expand this 12? Because I have 2x plus 5 here that is going to have to be added to this 12x that is going to be here. And this plus 5 is going to be subtracted from this 24 that is going to be here. So because I'm going to create like terms in other ways. So what do I have here? The first brackets, because nothing is happening to this bracket, I just can open it up. 2x plus 5 plus 12x, take away 24, equals 9. Fantastic. We collect like terms. So I have 14x, take away 19 is equal to 9. Then I add 19 on the other side. That means that I have 14x is equal to 28. Divide 14 both sides. X is equal to 2. Done. Okay? Wonderful. I'll continue in the next video, girls.